For decades, the cannabis experience has been defined by a binary choice between two extreme biological reactions. On one side, the traditional indica provides a heavy, full-body sedation that often results in complete physical immobility. On the other, sativas offer a highly stimulated mental state that can lean toward restlessness or even anxiety. Bridging this gap, achieving a state where the body feels relaxed but the mind remains functional and creative, is a difficult botanical challenge. Because stable biological equilibrium is difficult to achieve through breeding, a hybrid that maintains this exact balance remains rare among modern cultivars. Cherry Pie Runtz is a modern example of this balance in practice. These trichome frosted buds are easily identified by their deep purple and forest green hues. Breaking them apart reveals a profile of sour cherries and creamy vanilla, grounded by a sharp, earthy spice. The question is how a single plant can trigger these two seemingly contradictory physical and mental effects simultaneously. The answer lies in the plant's specific chemical composition and the genetic history that built it. Much of the experience is driven by terpenes, aromatic molecules that influence how the body processes the plant's compounds. Limonene is the bright, citrusy molecule in the profile. It is associated with the initial cerebral onset, often lifting the mood and encouraging creative focus. Then there is caryophyllene, a spicy, peppery counterpart. This molecule interacts with receptors throughout the body to help ease physical tension and address inflammation. Finally, linalool provides a floral bridge. It adds a layer of serenity that helps keep the mental stimulation from becoming overwhelming. This specific trinity of molecules works together to create a multi-layered effect, addressing the mind and body at the same time. This specific chemical makeup isn't an accident. It's a result of the plant's agricultural history. Modern cultivators use precision breeding to combine different genetic lineages, isolating specific traits from each parent. On one side, we have Cherry Pie, itself a cross between Granddaddy Purple and Durban Poison. This lineage provides the dense, earthy profile and the physical, grounding effects typically associated with indicas. On the other side is Runtz, which comes from the pairing of Skittles and gelato. This side of the family introduces the sugary, candy-like aroma and the more energetic cerebral uplift. Merging these two lineages allows the plant to express the physical relaxation of one side and the mental clarity of the other. When we look at the timeline of the experience, we can see how these genetics play out in order. It starts with a spark of mental energy that lifts immediate stress, which then settles into a steady, functional physical relaxation. Because it balances these states, the strain is versatile enough for both quiet creative work and social settings. Cherry Pie Runtz represents a broader shift in cannabis, a move away from simply chasing higher THC percentages and towards selecting specific terpene profiles to influence the quality of the experience. However, because every person's endocannabinoid system is different, these effects can vary from one individual to the next. The standard approach is to start with a low dose to understand how your specific biology will respond. This exploration is based on lifestyle and tradition and is not intended as medical or prescriptive advice. Always follow local laws and consult with a healthcare professional for any matter.
What was I?